So thanks, Ellie. My name is Jeff Paterson. I'm proud to present my app today. There we go, BikeShare 2016. I live in the East Bay, and I hate driving to work or to school. It's a nightmare. So I'm always looking for how can I take the boat this morning? How can I take the train? But when I get here, it's hard to get around, and I can't afford Uber to take me everywhere. Amazingly, in the Bay Area, we have an expanding bike share program. There's bicycle racks right out front of this building. The blue ones, they look a little clunky, but for $9 a day, you can ride them unlimited, hop to hop throughout the city. But when I'm coming into the city, how do I know there's going to be a bike at the kiosk that I'm used to going to? And that's the problem I tried to solve with this app. I'm taking Google Maps, I'm overlaying the API from the BikeShare program, and then I had some fun creating different shapes to represent how many bikes are in each rack. Yellow will warn me there's only one bike left, I might not get it. An empty circle represents there's no bikes at that rack. Or I'm turning the circle purple if there's no empty spaces on that rack to return a bike. And that's important if I'm planning to leave a bike at a certain location. This program is throughout the Bay Area, so not only San Francisco, we got Palo Alto and Mountain View. So of course, my app covers all those locations with additional information, pop-up information. And what's cool again, it's about the entire region. So we can step back and look at the entire region of the Bay Area. Not very helpful, but it does give you a sense of the scale of the system. So that's the live aspect of my app. I also wanted to sort of dig deeper into the statistics. So I took a look at the 2015 data set, over 340,000 individual trips from the BikeShare program. And here's a heat map of where people want bicycle share program to be expanded into their neighborhoods. And here's a suitability map from the program itself. What I noticed, there wasn't a whole lot of overlap of what people say they want and what they're going to get. That's government for you. I took a look at where people live who use this system. So the bigger dots, the redder dots, are more people. Whereas the blue triangles are BART stations and the green triangles are Caltrain stations. And the other data backs this up is that the typical user of the system is currently a Caltrain commuter. I use some D3 to do that. And also the program is meant for you to hop on a bicycle, ride at a short distance, and then get off and go get your hair cut or have a meeting. So I took another D3 visualization of this and put it in the circle of all the stations. And each node represents where a bicycle was checked out from, and the connectedness of where those individual bicycles traveled to and were left at. And of course, this app is only going to be important if I can have it in my pocket on my phone. So I made it responsive with Bootstrap and some, basically some basic jQuery stuff. I used a lot of graphical additions to jQuery just to make it look pretty and have the transitions pop in and pop out. So I enjoyed going through this program, enjoyed looking at all the data sets, and I found that each bicycle rental actually only went about 4,000 feet, and each ride only lasted about 540 seconds, 9 minutes. And that's really the way the system is designed to be. Short hops from point A to point B, get off the bike, do your thing, hop on another bike, and be on your way. And finally, I'm excited this program is expanding by a factor of 10 in the next few months. It'll be one of the largest bike share programs in North America, and we actually have a final local hearing coming up on Monday. If you want to be more involved in this program, I'm hoping that my app will contribute to awareness and hopefully the overall increased use of our bicycle share program in the Bay Area. I mentioned that I use Bootstrap, jQuery, some D3 stuff, of course Google Maps, and the bicycle share open data program. And thank you for listening, and that was BikeShare 2016.